Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
On this birthday celebration of Mommy, Ate Phyllis, and Paolo, I wish you faith to keep you strong, love to keep you happy, and perseverance to keep you going. Happy birthday, and may our dear Lord grant you abundant blessing, a peaceful and comfortable life. And to Fatima Ann, happy christening day. May God protect you, guide you, and keep you safe always throughout your life. And welcome to the Christian world. I love you all. Miss you on your great celebration, but we are with you in your spirit. Take care always and be well.
Hi everyone! I want to wish Lola, Tita Phyllis, and Tita Paolo a happy birthday, and congrats to baby Fatima on her christening day. May God grant you strength and many more years of happiness. Sorry we weren't able to make it to this special occasion because I will be having finals this week. We love you, we miss you, enjoy your celebration, and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Lola, Tita Phyllis, and Tito Paolo. May you have many more happy birthdays, and I wish you all the best. And to baby Fatima, congratulations on your baptismal day. May God bless you. Enjoy your celebration. Love you. Bye!
Hello! Kumusta kayo lahat dyan sa Chicago? Miss namin kayo lahat, lalo na kayong celebration nito. Mami, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola!
Magpalakas ka po dyan sa Amerika at wish namin at lagi namin pinagdadasal na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para makapiling ka pa namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mami. Ate Phyllis, happy birthday! Magpagaling po kayo. Paulo, happy birthday din. Marami.
Happy birthday, Ate Phyllis! Happy birthday, Paolo!
Happy birthday po sa inyo!
More success sa iyo, tsaka sa family mo, at to baby Faith. Welcome to the Christian world. Mahal namin kayo lahat. Enjoy your party. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Mommy, Ate Phyllis. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday po. Happy binyag.
Kumusta po? Ingat po kayo lagi.
Tita Manix, Tita Phyllis, kumusta po kayo?
Lilian, Michelle, Mikey, ingat po kayo parate.
Tita Paolo, Tita Cathy, Alan Miguel.
Lola,
Regards po lahat sa lahat.
We love you. Miss you.
Tatay Pam, Kuya Mark,
Mark,
Kuya Pat,
Yeah.
Fatima.
Ann,
Stan.
Miguel. Bye-bye.
Listening, Fatima Ann, may you grow a good girl. Kagaya ni Daddy at ni Mami mo. Stay beautiful. Sana nga maging future doctor ka rin daw kagaya ni Daddy at Mami ka rin. We love you. Love you, Fatima. Birthday, Lola! We love you. We miss you. Oh, Mami, kumusta ka na? Happy birthday, 84 o 85 years old ka na. Ayaw mo tumanda, 84 ka na laktan. O, sana, uwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mami. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo para mahabang mahaba pa ang buhay mo. We miss you. Love you. Love you. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Tita Phyllis. Kumusta na kayo? Sana maging masaya, mahaba ang buhay mo pa. Mahal ka namin. Namimiss ka na namin. Sana makita ka namin. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. God bless you, Ate Phyllis. Happy birthday, Paolo! Wish you long and happy life. Mabait ka, mahal ka namin. Keep up, Paolo. Lalo ka naming mamahalin. Pero alagaan mo rin ang sarili mo.
Happy birthday!
Paolo, Ate Phyllis, and to our dearest Mami Trini. We love you,
God bless you!
Mama.
Chup chup!
Lola Trining, Lola Phyllis,